How to check if your PC can run Call of Duty Warzone. Now you can go to the Call of Duty website, just callofduty.com, and then scroll down and you'll see the PC system requirements. So you can read them all here, but if you're not sure about any one of these specific system requirements, you can go and click on the first link in the description. It will take you to this website. It's called Can You Run It? Then you just want to search for the game over here. So I'll type Warzone and select it there, and then you want to click the blue Can You Run It button. So I'm going to click here where it says Can You Run It, and now it's going to gather some data about my computer and it will download an application, and you don't have to worry, this is safe to download. So when the download is finished, I'm just going to open it up and then it's going to tell me if I'm able to run Call of Duty Warzone. So I'm going to open up the application. And it's just performing some tasks real quick, and now it's finished and it will open up here, and you can see here minimum and recommended. So my PC can run Call of Duty Warzone, and you want to check each of these things and what's needed for each specific part so you can run the game. So you can see the video card meets the requirements, the CPU meets the requirements, the RAM, OS, free disk space, and sound card. So if you're not able to run Warzone, this will be in red or this will be in red, and this is basically a nice way to check if you can run specific games. And you just have to search for the game here, so you can go for another game like Fortnite or something, and that one also will tell you about each specific requirement and can you run it. So that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.